We are now.
Thank you. Okay, of course, everybody, I'm using Windows Phone, the HTC Titan. Okay, so that, of course, this is running Windows Phone 7.5, and we'll go from there and see if you're ready.
I'm ready.
Any last words? Now,
Oop, there it is.
there it is. Here it is. We're going to start the contest or the challenge here very shortly.
Okay.
Again, for those of you that did submit everything, at the end we're going to pick some names and we'll post the names on Twitter. One of the lucky submissions will be drawn and you will actually win the official Smoked by Windows Phone t-shirt. This is compliments of somebody we both know, near and dear, on the internet, and Windows Phone on the back, and you will get one of these lovely t-shirts. For two other names that were drawn randomly, we'll draw, and you will get some Windows Phone love, and I will send you a Windows Phone t-shirt. And we'll announce the names and the winners after the broadcast, and we'll post those to Twitter, and we'll post those on Windows Phone Concierge.
And for those that join because they like Apple and iOS and know we're going to win, you already have the best gift that anyone can have, a device with iOS. So I got nothing for you. But this is the Windows Phone Concierge, so everything's Windows Phone.
Well, you know how that goes. Any last questions, comments before we get started? We did get a comment that the video and audio is great and sounds good.
Oh, good. Good.
So, appreciate that. Okay, you ready to begin?
I am ready to begin. So here's what we'll do. We'll set the device on the table, and once it begins, we'll pick it up so then that way everybody knows that we haven't touched it, prepped it in any way.
No, I haven't prepped my phone.
I haven't either.
Mine works.
As a matter
out
of
the box.
fact, I appreciate the compliments. We had some technical challenges getting it set up, but we're set up and going now. So I did not have a chance to practice any of these. So this is
I haven't
well,
practiced.
good. There we go.
either.
There we go.
Right, it just works.
All right. Yeah, whatever. All right. What's the first one?
Okay, our first challenge is to take a picture and post it to Facebook.
Okay, so we'll take a picture of each other, post it to Facebook.
Take a picture of each other and we'll post it to Facebook.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
Wait a minute, hold up. Wait a minute,
What?
wait a minute, relax. Don't this is just casual and nice.
There's
okay?
nothing casual
right.
about this at all.
Okay.
This is war.
So I need to get my game face on. All right,
Hold on.
well, if that's the case. All right. Ready?
Wah, wah, wah.
See how he goes? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Uploading, boom, done.
I hate you.
Okay.
Now I'm going to finish just so
Yeah.
we have a time. Use next post.
Okay, now, if you want to go to our Facebook page, I think this went to my personal page. So now, just to let you know, here's how this task works on Windows Phone.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to go play camera operator and you show
Okay.
them on the phone.
On Windows Phone, very simply, you open up your camera.
Spin it around so they can see it. No, the front side, yeah.
You open up your phone, tap the picture, it takes the picture, and it slid it up. Now, I can slide it down, and on the ellipse down here, when you push it up, it says share to Facebook. Share it, hit the button, uploads, and off to Facebook it went. That's how simple it is. We all know Windows Phone simply allows you to do the things that are important to you quicker and easier.
Now, with one caveat, I do
Uh-huh.
believe that the latest version of the iOS does integrate to Facebook.
And allows you to share the picture.
It allows you to share it to Facebook. Actually, no, I
Okay.
take that back. It's Twitter. It integrates with Twitter.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
okay, that one was hands down win. On the iPhone, I do have to go into the Facebook app, take the picture, or open the app, go to photo, take the picture. It lagged a little, so that's one.
We're getting some great comments.
Okay, so what's the oh, we got smoked. We got represent.
Yeah.
All right. So, what's the next challenge, Trent?
The next challenge is find a local restaurant and get directions.
Okay. So, again, I'm just putting this back to my normal home screen.
And I'm back to the start screen on Windows Phone.
Okay. Both of them are turned on, so we're not turning them off.
Right.
Okay. Local restaurant.
Local restaurant, doesn't matter what it is.
Okay.
And let's get directions.
All right.
Okay?
And directions?
Yes.
Okay.
Local restaurant with directions. I'll scoot over so I give you some room.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah.
You ready?
Ready when you are.
1, 2, 3, go. And loading Wi-Fi. I got disconnected. It's okay.
Done. Got directions to Wendy's.
Let me see the directions. That's a map.
It's directions. Okay. Here, I'll switch
Okay.
it. Since your phone is
now,
still waiting, I'll
just
do
to let
list.
you know that I did get disconnected from the Wi-Fi.
Aw.
Yeah.
Poor Windows Phone. I tell you what, I'll even give you a chance at a rematch on that one.
Let me connect my Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay, so we reset this.
Secure, connected. Okay.
Okay. Sure, you're on this time.
It's your network, so you know. I think there's some sabotage going on
Works
here.
fine
on
for me.
Wi-Fi.
I don't know what
Whatever.
you're talking about. It works fine for me.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. Boom. Rule 3, directions, bam.
Done.
So we'll call that a tie.
Wait, no, that's just.
There's rule 3 right there.
It said still getting directions.
It
just
had
pulled up the
directions. I was getting walking directions while it already gave me the driving directions. You wanted directions? I'm giving you both.
Rematch. Because when I looked at
Rematch.
your screen, it said getting directions. If I'm wrong,
But it showed it was already at the map, and at the top it was giving walking directions. Is what it was getting. I already had directions to it on the screen.
So every time you go to search for something, it gives you driving and walking directions?
Yes, it'll give me both, and then I can choose which ones I want.
Why would I want to walk anywhere? Okay, so show me real quick then.
Okay, local scout.
Local Scout just started up. Eat and drink is loading. Shows local places. He hits rule 3. Hits directions.
Which it puts on.
No, see, it says getting directions.
Right, getting directions.
Right.
But it already shows it on the
no.
map.
The challenge was to find it and get directions. I found it.
Where's your directions? You're showing me a map.
The map is right there. There's a directions
That's
right
what I
there.
was
The list. It's
Okay.
right there. It just shows
Look.
it as a map.
That's the same thing
No,
mine
yours
did.
was still
Mine-
loading the directions.
But it showed it already on the map.
Load up another one. Go to a different
I
restaurant.
go to a different restaurant. See how
No,
it is?
no. I'm going to turn this around. We're going to show the audience.
Beef.
Go there.
Directions.
Directions.
Boom. There's it shows.
No, it's showing on the map, but it's still routing the directions.
Look.
Now the directions are loaded. No.
That's not.
Here,
I'll give you that.
here.
No.
Okay,
no.
I was gonna say.
I'll give you that. That's we'll give you
That's
that.
right.
One.
That's one for Apple. That's right. That
One.
was just using. Now I did mine using the regular Maps application.
Which is what? Google Maps?
Just the built-in map.
Built-in Maps.
Yes.
Now see, I couldn't. Never mind. Okay. So that's 1-to-1. Well, I'm gonna give him that one. The next challenge is.
You can't play along at home, so if you want to pull out your device,
4.
even though there's a delay, by the time you see us start the video, you'll
Right.
still be in sync with us. So you can try with your
Exactly.
device at home. Type it on the chat. Let us know how you fared against us.
Okay. The next challenge is check the weather in a local city.
Local city?
No. Check the weather in, it says Tampa, Florida is actually what it says.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
So you want to do Tampa or you want to do another city?
No, we can do Tampa.
Okay, Tampa, Florida.
I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Keep hitting the camera button.
That's because that phone is just
No.
so awesome.
And done. Tampa, Florida, 81 degrees.
82. Yours is off by a degree.
Actually, the index is 61 is the dew point. So if we want to get
tomorrow
technical,
it's going to be 84.
Yeah, well, if you want to look at the overall outlook, I got him by seconds, folks.
You got me by seconds.
Got
on
him
that
by
one.
seconds. So that's 2-to-1.
That's 2-1.
2-to-1.
Okay.
The next challenge. The next challenge is it's asking us. Yep, one of our listeners says it's 82 degrees. Okay, 2-to-1 Windows Phone. Our next challenge, it says tweet the word hello.
Tweet the word hello.
Tweet the word hello.
Okay.
And we'll do that. And if you're following both of us on Twitter, you'll see who gets there first. And you ready?
Yeah, no, mine's going to tweet to the Techno Radio.
Yes.
Yes.
Techno Radio.
Pop it'll be
At
Techno
Techno Radio.
Yes.
And 1, 2, 3, go. Done.
Okay. You got me because mine was in a whole different screen.
Whole different screen?
Yeah.
Would you like to do another one?
Yeah, let's do it one more time.
One more
Same
time?
challenge one more time. 'Cause
Same
actually, I was
challenge,
checking
one more
I was
time.
updating the stream earlier, so it was in a different place. So
Okay.
we'll do one more time on that one.
That's fine. We'll give him another rematch. So, are you trying at home?
That's
Oh.
me. I was
Okay.
asking if they're
All
following.
right. Okay, we're going to try this again. We're going to tweet to Twitter the word hello. You ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go. Done.
Done. You got me by seconds on that one.
So that's 3-to-1.
Yeah,
3-to-1.
so far.
3-to-1, folks. 3-to-1. Okay. One last challenge. And this is how we're going to do this challenge. Local weather, tweet hello. One of our viewers tweet us the last challenge.
Okay, there you go.
How's that?
Yeah, either tweet it or you can also put it on the
Screen.
chat.
On
Yeah.
the chat screen. Put it on the chat screen. And we'll go with that. Unless you want to come up with a challenge.
Um,
While he's thinking of a challenge,
Yeah.
let me explain to you what Twitter does when you want to post. We all know on Windows Phone, Twitter's integrated. So from your phone, if you go to the Me tile, and you have an option that says post a message, you can tap that and type your message, and it says post to. Integrated, we can post a message to Windows Live, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. All you do is tap it, select it, and tap it again, and it's posted.
yeah. And with the new iOS 5, Twitter is integrated also. So because of that, you can very quickly tweet from the new iOS also, the iOS 5.
Right.
If you have the Siri, which again, we'll do this again once we do the Siri upgrade, you can actually use Siri and ask Siri to tweet a message for you or send a Facebook message or even send a text message. There is a lag though, so I don't think that the challenge would actually beat a Windows phone because Siri still has to process in the cloud. So the message goes out, the servers interpret it, perform the action. So the time it takes for the user to initiate it is a whole lot faster. Full completion though, there's a little bit of a lag and delay.
Okay.
All right, so what do we get in?
What did we get in? Did we get a challenge? We didn't get a tag. Send an email with one picture and one sentence from the native email clients on your phone.
That's a good one. Okay, so we're gonna send an email with a picture. We'll just take a picture of each other,
Okay.
and we will send "I smoked you" as the sentence.
I smoked you.
Right.
Okay.
And we'll send it to each other.
Okay.
Okay.
So let me get this right. We're going to actually take a live picture.
Right. Because that was right.
Right.
One picture, one sentence from the native email client,
Okay.
and send it to each other. So I need to take a picture of you,
Uh-huh.
and I'll send you the one-line sentence: "I smoked you,"
Okay.
capital I,
Smoked.
smoked,
Hold on.
capital
See?
I,
Okay.
smoked you, period, and we'll email each other.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
And thank you, Civics.
Civics.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks
you
Civics
for your
the
challenge.
Yes.
And we'll go with that.
Okay.
Our feed is live still. Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're delayed.
Okay, so we're gonna take a picture.
I'm looking at the past.
Yeah, we're gonna take a picture. We're gonna email it to each other.
Native clients. You have to use
Native clients.
You'll send email. Yes.
Detail, that's fine.
Okay.
I have no problem with that. Now, it doesn't matter which one. I have 6 accounts on here.
No matter what account you use whatever account you want to.
Okay.
You just have to use the,
The native client on there.
which for Windows Phone is what? Hotmail?
Any of them. Doesn't matter. I have
Live.
top 3.
But I'm saying it's a native client on the phone.
The
right?
native
It's called
client.
Mail.
Yeah, the native client, which it doesn't really matter. Well, it's tied to my live ID when you configure
Okay.
the phone. But
Yeah.
I have other accounts on here.
In the iOS, I'll just be using Mail, so it's just called Mail.
Okay.
All
All right. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've not done this, so I may have to.
Right, same
Well,
here.
email,
That's
but
why I'm sitting here
that's
trying
okay.
to. Okay, we'll find. We'll
You-
go with it.
All right,
You ready?
count it down.
1, 2, 3, go. Picture taken. Done. I haven't typed it all in capital
Yeah.
letters for you.
So I take a picture.
Go ahead and finish your task.
I did it backwards. I should have gone to the mail first.
Now, to let you know what happened here, I took my picture first.
Yeah.
And from the picture, I can then share it, which I attached it to an email from my Windows Live account
Right.
and emailed it to you.
Now, what I did, which was backwards, was I went into mail because I thought there was an option to add.
Okay.
If I go into the photo, then just like you, I can then go email photo from there. Your name is in my address book, so once I start to type your name, it will
Right.
fill it in and go.
Exactly. You
So-
want to do that one again? We can if you want. It's up to you.
You won that one because it also has to do with the use of the phone. If you want a rematch, though, I'll be more than glad to smoke you. But you
You've
did
already
win that
been
one.
smoked. I smoked you 4-1.
It was 3-2 by the time I beat you with this one. That's what I'm
3-2.
saying.
Okay, so 4-2. You got
Okay.
smoked. 4-2.
It's one tie.
4-2. Now, okay.
Okay, you did. You won 3 of them. So either way, I wouldn't call it smoked, but I would call it a win.
Now, you know what you have to do.
Oh Lord.
This is what you do. I need you to hold this. I need you to look into the camera, tell the folks your name, what phone you use, and tell them you just got smoked by a Windows phone.
I hate my life. I'm Chris Lockhart. I use an iPhone 4, and I got smoked by Windows Phone.
Okay,
Is that what I had to do?
that's it. That's good. Now, just to let you know, that's right. Just to let you know, because Windows Phone is all about simplicity and speed, the easy things, the things that we want to do, the important things in our life. Okay, I'm gonna help you out.
Sounds like a commercial to me, folks.
Now, because I'm such a great guy and a good friend, I'm going to upgrade you to the Lumia 800.
Oh, I got it. I'm not gonna let anything fall out.
Yeah, right. As I'm holding the phone.
No,
as
see that finger?
as
That's techno safe.
I'm holding the finger. Right.
Ooh, now, I am not one to turn my nose down to a new phone, even if it's a Windows phone. This is mine for real?
That's your phone. I'm upgrading you to a Windows phone.
Okay.
And it turns on right here. And that is the new Nokia Lumia 800.
Yeah, this is the brand new one.
Yeah, just came out not long ago. Okay,
I got smoked by Windows Phone.
see?
Let's do some more challenges.
Yeah, exactly. So, we appreciate everybody watching it. We're also going to post this challenge
Yes.
to our YouTube page, Windows Phone Concierge. We may also put it on
Oh, absolutely. InTheTechno.com.
in the techno.com. Plus, it'll be on our blog. We'll get that up this evening. And we appreciate everybody. Lucky? What is that?
I think that's a response to the phone.
Exactly. We had another challenge. He asked us, how about checking your Xbox Live messages and who is playing what right now? Yeah, yeah, that's easy. That, you know, as well as I do, that's very easy.
That's impossible for me.
He can't do it. It's
unless,
impossible.
Unless maybe I could do it through a web browser, but yeah. Windows Phone does not have, the iPhone does not have that integration.
Right. And just to let you know, we did recognize your question. I do not have any of my Xbox friends right now playing any game on Xbox. But I went very quickly into my Xbox and looked at my friends to see who was doing what.
Now, completely unrelated, if you go to inthetechno.com, while we were in Las Vegas, we actually got a chance to preview on the Xbox 360 with Kinect Mass Effect 3, the game that's just now hitting the market right now. If you go to inthetechno.com, there's a video which has Trent in it, but if you freeze it at 43 seconds, there's the back of my head. Microsoft sent us an email on Thursday saying they're shipping out that game to us, so we're getting our
Mass Effect 3
Mass Effect 3, our comped copy. So
is better with Kinect.
I'm not too proud to play Xbox 360. So once we get those in, we'll send out some videos of that game also, and some competition between Trent and I. Thumbing it up. And talking it up. It's great. You just talk to it. Is it Stasis?
Stasis.
Stasis and Singularity. Yeah.
Right.
It's a great game. Check it out. I'm Chris from In the Techno.
I'm Trent from In the Techno and Windows Phone Concierge. and we will be seeing you soon. Again, shortly we'll be drawing the names of the winners, and we will post them on Twitter.
You know how to post a video to Facebook?
So
Thanks,
thank you for
everybody.
viewing, and we'll see you soon.